Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have a new hack for you. You see this here, my paper towel holder? Well, normally I use that on the back of the headrest when my granddaughter comes with me. I just hang it on the two bars. I have this seat up here, obviously, because she sits in her car seat there. And I hook this onto the back of the headrest, but doggone it all, when she's not with me, I don't have that seat up. So I was really struggling, thinking, how the heck am I gonna hang this thing? Well, then it dawned on me, duh, use the same things you use to hang your fairy lights. So let's see how we do that. Alrighty, well here are the milk tabs. These are the things that I hang my fairy lights with throughout the van. I took the majority of them out already, but I just left those 3 in there so you could see. And these 2 here, I just left in and I pushed back a little bit further, and they are very secure in here. I just looped my bungee cord hooks around the loops from the milk tabs, and voila, paper towel holder. How perfect is that? Now, I haven't done this before, but I'm going to utilize it on my next trip. I'm going to see how long it lasts and if it is sturdy enough, but from what I can tell, this is very sturdy. I mean, it'll pull the plastic down. Look at that. So I think this is going to work out perfectly. So this is a great little hack. If you have a paper towel holder that has little loops on them, or you plan on getting one, this is some easy roll thing. So it's basically a bungee cord thingy with just a little rod to hold your paper towel, and hooks on the ends. And all you got to do is stick your little milk tabs like this right up on in here. Let's see here. Stick them right up in here like this. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. I'm going to do it this week when I leave. So just a quick little hack. You could actually use these little tabs for anything maybe that you needed to hang that wasn't super heavy. But anyhow, I hope this was helpful to somebody, and I hope you guys had a great weekend too. All right, I will catch you later. Just wanted to share that. And hey, if you are finding value in my channel, I would really appreciate if you'd like, subscribe, and share. That would be fabulous. Hit the bell too, see, because then you won't miss any videos. And I think that's pretty great too. Anyhow, you guys, all right, I appreciate every one of you. I will talk to you soon. Until then.